Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to recenter gimbal in one click on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I currently have the live mode enabled, so you can see what's going on the screen right here. And whenever I will try to move around, as you can see, my gimbal tries to follow, but it doesn't really know what to follow. And in order to recenter it, all you want to do is locate the little joystick here and just double tap it like that. As you can see now, it locks in, and whenever I will try to move around, it should smoothly follow. Of course, we can always double tap one more time. And now, as you can see, we have very similar feeling, but we are no longer very lost. Of course, we can still use the joysticks to move our gimbal around, and we can also use the virtual joystick if you are connected to application. If you don't know how to connect to application, you can always watch our tutorial on channel for how to do that. And lastly, we can also click this little button here to also recenter the gimbal. This is the same as clicking double tap on our 5D joystick. So yeah, that's all for the tutorial. If you found it interesting, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!